Hello there everybody, welcome back to Crafty Canines. I'm Sophie and I have a little treat for you guys today. So, put this up there. So, like you guys have seen, the last 6 diamond paintings that I did not label the containers, but since this one has 32 colors, here are the 32 colors. I did label these, and one of them, color number 5, had 2. So what I'll do is, if you guys can see that, oh, you guys can't see that. Let me grab this one. Here, this one's got contrast. Okay. So as you can see there, I labeled the number here and the corresponding code. So this is what, number 4? So the corresponding code, which is 8411 on this one. On each one of these containers. So if you look here, we've got it all the way down to 23. Now there is 24 in this one, but this one is another number 5. So since I have finished it, I will show you guys how to remove permanent marker or Sharpie. Here, let me grab it for you. Come on. Come on. There we are. So just a regular Sharpie permanent marker. Let me turn that off. So yeah, it's just a regular Sharpie permanent marker. And then what I like to do is use alcohol swabs. So just tear that one open. Open it up. There we go. And then, if you guys can see that. Can you guys see that? There we go. So then you just rub it across. You have to rub it a little bit, but it does come off fairly easily. Now, if you're having problems with it, what you can also do, okay, there's a little bit of residue left. So just use the same permanent marker and color the area in real good. And then use the alcohol swab to wipe it off. And that does get rid of the entire residue. There we go. Now, I'm just going to pop this right back in here. Since my trash can's all the way over there, I'm not going to worry about putting it away right now. But we will play some games with moving all of these around. So, move those up. Move number 6 over. Move these up. Come on. Right. Move number 12 over. Move these up. Come on. Move number 18 over. And then we'll grab number 24 out of here. We will move these up. Put number 24 there. And close that one up. We'll move these up. Put number 30. Come on. empty right there. And then move those two up and put the empty one right there. And then we'll put the Sharpie right back in there. You know, just to make it easier on ourselves, let's flip these over. That way it's easier to grab the Sharpie. Okay. So, I did label the containers this time. Normally I do not. But, oh, and by the way, I did find the, custom diamonds, or the diamonds for my custom. So, those are no longer lost. So, yay to that. Alright, so, let us continue over here. I did finish this whole side right here. Well, not this whole side. So, all the way around here, going down to this area here. So, that is all done. Here, let me... See? All done. So, with it being a full drill, I believe that's the term, it is taking me longer, and with all of the colors, I just love it. But yeah, so I will show you guys how I pick out my colors. So, since I diamond paint right-handed, I'm gonna start over here, which, let me zoom you guys in over here. There we go. Can you guys see that any better? Okay. So, since I diamond paint right-handed, I will start over here with the number 2. So from there, I will go over here to the legend, and the symbol for number 2 is number 2. So from there, sorry, I'm moving you guys all around, aren't I? Okay, so number 2, go through my little box, and number 2 is the second one, so right there. Alright, let's see here. Put this right there. So I don't like to grab too many at one time. So I always tap it to make sure that the diamonds are out of this area here, all the way around. And that should be enough. And then while I'm working on that number, I put it on its side. You guys can see that. So that way, I do not get confused as to what I'm working on. Alright, so, don't really have many new updates. We are planning on throwing away our oven because of mice. And they are just really, really annoying. Okay. Can you guys see? I don't know. Okay. So, I had some really bad allergies yesterday. So, and then if you guys see this up here, there's some dirt going on. Yeah, that's from our ceiling fan. So our ceiling fan decided to start throwing dust bunnies yesterday. So I decided to clean that off. Now the funny thing is that I cleaned it off after I took a shower. So that happened. Alright. There we go. So Christmas is coming up. We don't really have much planned, except we're gonna see Polar Express in theaters, so that'll be interesting, because I don't believe we have been to a theater in a really long time. Like, possibly a decade. I don't even remember the last movie I saw in the theater, but yeah, it's a special event release. It's not a release, it's a special event that they're doing over at I believe the museum. I don't know, I could be wrong. But so we're gonna go to that. We picked up a new Christmas tree because mice. So we will be setting it up and decorating it here in the next few days. We did get more space in the living room since my husband redecorated. Oh, you're okay, Marshall. That's about it. We don't really have much more. The paper on this, though, is flimsier than the last one. Paper, the cover, I should say. It's not as sturdy as the last one, which means that it crinkles up really, really easily. But I think this might be an older diamond painting. Whenever I pulled it off of my shelf, it was covered with a lot of dust. So, yeah. But, I will let you guys go from here. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday. And happy crafting, everybody. Alright. Bye.